Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step number 11 of the 28-point AC tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 11 is to clean and flush the outdoor condensing unit. So the way we do that, also while this fan is out, is we get down inside and we get garden hose and some cleaner and we flush all the debris back outside this air conditioner. So from the inside to the out, just like we would clean a washable filter. What this does is it helps improve airflow and it helps improve the condensing power of this air conditioner. That way when we condense this refrigerant, we can get better cooling in your home. When things like that are missed and all this stuff gets loaded up with debris, dog hair, dust, leaves, you name it. I've seen moss grow all over these things. When that happens, it just dramatically reduces the power that this thing can give you for cooling, which means you're running the air conditioner more and spending way too much money with your local utility company just to stay comfortable in your own home. So it's real important that we get this thing cleaned up, we get it flushed out, cleaned, cleared, make sure everything inside here is all cleaned up, and then put it all back together so that everything's running the way it's supposed to. Just like maintenance on your car, you wouldn't buy a brand new car. We're going to talk about that later. You wouldn't buy a brand new car and not change the oil. You wouldn't want to have an air conditioner out here and cut its life expectancy in half because you didn't do your maintenance. So please get your tune-up followed up by annual maintenance and make this thing run at peak efficiency and get the full life expectancy out of it. See you on the next video.